I can no longer pick up heat. But if I'm already this big and I have no room for expansion because I'm too big of a molecule, I'll only absorb so much heat.
I'm Arlene. See, motherfucker looking for sympathy in all the wrong places. Cause if you ain't been good to me, shit, I can't be good to you. You ain't hurting me, baby, you hurting the kids. Tryna break down this bed, put food in the fridge. How a bitch gon' be mad at you for trying to make a better way to live? Stupid ass, shaking my head, I guess it is what it is. She blind to what's real, life don't stand still. Wallet fat Jonah Hill, a boss don't miss meals. Money I barbecue, why these lames all in my grill? Who fought over my cubs I kill, blood pressure pill. I don't fuck with Cadillacs, the scat don't come with a fifth wheel. It's a cold, cold world, so it's too late to chill. Too focused on the next deal, been the king of the hill. All acting funny with me, I guess you can pay our own bill. I ain't gon' tell you what you wanna hear, I'm just gon' tell you what's real. I had to learn a few skills, ain't nothing like free will. Black business owner, I'm not counting money out of a white man's tears. Fuck how you feel. The eagle Kendra Clifford told that bitch, but it pull like a wagon. Pull my dick out in fashion, something hit when my tail wagging. Copyright you being pussy for rights on bragging. Fuck nigga.
You read it up in solid day. See the man from far away. Open your eyes, you heard him say, you're all alone, I'm not your babe. I don't wanna go away now, I don't wanna go away. Ain't been done. I don't wanna go away now, I don't wanna go away.
Like, way past show the nigga how to do this shit was so simple.
Yeah.
Let that shit get its own way.
Yeah. Man, it's a lot easier, didn't it?
A lot easier. Made it feel like a nigga was a master of the keto.
Every time I go to the thermostat, the first thing I check is the fan.
Yeah. They say it ain't cooling, make sure the blower run.
Right. Because if you cool without the blower, you'll have an issue.
That's so cool, dude.
We gonna see.
Make sure it ain't running.
Bottles, nigga. We in there like swimwear. Yeah, it's good.
Tell us what we're looking at here, man.
What they doing is a condenser fan motor replacement.
I had forgot to put in the word fan.
I say condenser motor.
Condenser motor.
No other condenser motor was the fan motor.
So that's what I told him. I need to hurry and learn the parts.
Yeah, we get there. It's no rush. We haven't even got the HVAC yet.
So far,
He said ain't no rush. I ain't never been to Rush. I don't fuck with Russell Simmons because he owned the Rush car.
Yeah.
I never been to Mount Rushmore. I don't speak Russian.
Gino, so far, he's making a passing grade.
Gas valve quick. There we go.
Just be fluid.
Looking good.
Something has jumped somewhere. It's gotta be, because rollouts should make you fail.
Proving failure. Control will try 3 more times before lockout number 14 occurs. If flame signal is lost after trial for ignition period, rotor will come on for 90-second recycle delay. And then it says check for it
Blower
lists.
is on the cycle delay right now.
Now how do you know
All
that?
this because you can hear the blower running. It's already went through its trial period for its sequence of operations, and now that it has failed to ignite and keep a steady flame or prove a flame, it went into what's called a failure mode, where it's starting to try to cool down the heat exchanger. So now that you are going through this 90-second trial, you went over, you found out what you're having on your control board as far as blinks. You found the problem. It says it's not sensing the flame signal. The only thing that can sense a flame signal is your flame sensing rod. So immediately you go, hey, what's wrong with it? You check it out, you pull it out, you look at it. Somebody give me a 1/4-inch nut driver, please.
Say it again.
How am I supposed to?
No, don't take none of that. Take this out. These screws right here first.
Okay.
Because the concept is to bring this whole piece out.
Okay.
But that's what that means, is those little arrows are
Then what you doing?
Taking this thermostat apart.
How do we get to our board?
I'm gonna move it over there.
Down to what's called the CPU. The ladder diagram, and the ladder diagram is going to show you step by step, just like this, what parts go where. That's what they're for. The flame sensor reacts. Then it'll try it again. But as you can see, it's already blinking. What's the blinks? So that you can see clearly what things are in here without moving wires.
Wires.
That's what it's made for. Anytime you need to wire a unit, or you miss the wire or something like that, use your schematic. It's going to direct you right back to where you need to be. It tells you colors of wires. It tells you where those wires go from point A to point B.
Thermostat.
Did I get it in?
Yeah, the wire don't come out, you got it in there.
There you go. Now let me tell you where you messed up there. Look. Around your suckers in there. So guess what you gotta do? Take it back out.
You didn't tell her?
Yeah, you got it. She gotta know. She gotta do trial and error.
So it has an indicator light.
Okay.
The indicator light shows you blinks. It'll show you the status. It'll let you know if you got a flame. It'll let you know if it's in trouble. It'll say a red LED. Then it'll say how many blinks. You know? Depending on how many blinks it is, that's what you go by as the code. Called a sequence of operations. It's gonna do a retry. And you'll see your hot surface igniter start to glow again. It'll try to ignite. At that point, what you're gonna experience is the flame sensor not sensing the flame because we have it unplugged, right? And it's gonna shut the system down on safety. Now, right now, you'll get to see how quickly it actually does it.
Plus, you know, I'm observing your teaching skills.
Yep, make sure it's in the middle and spin it. Make sure it don't rub.
Spin that wheel. Yeah. Do it again. You're Gucci, man. Come once you start on that system, if it's too close. You gotta take that motherfucker all the way back up.
Turn that out.
Oh, this is for communicating. Right. Yeah, you was right. You was right. For communicating unit, you can't do it.
Yes, sir.
This one needs batteries.
Think she do it right?
Did I do it right? You
I'm going over and take a look, dude.
want to spin my fan too?
Yeah.
Nah, I got it straight.
Yeah.
That's why I say that's the one I did. So that was the easiest
Easiest one.
But these other
Don't
ones,
even find.
yeah, nightmare. Sober and focused, nigga. Only goofies be drunk after dark. Flow Noah's Ark. A fuck nigga tear himself apart. Broke little bitch, get your finances in order before you try to learn how to parallel park. 6.4. Don't you keyless entry start. My bite louder than my bark. I swim good with sharks. The alpha male of my pack. Cub ass nigga, we tear shit apart. Whole time that trap, some call me Egon. Loud. See, one thing I know, two things for certain. People will let you down in life. But one thing I won't do is let my motherfucking self down. You want it done right, do it yourself. Bye. These fuck niggas so peon. 5 heartbeats, Leon. 8 NIC, been Mr. Clark. I'm the nigga my city lean on. Focus on the present. Went West 5 or been gone. All my catalog long. Bars on a Schwarzenegger song. So polite, been on my best bullshit. So pardon me, fuck nigga, do you have any Grey Poupon? Fuck nigga, move along with your broke ass.